All right, we're back. Solo 730, no things. We're back with our AWS console, playing around with the console, Amazon Web Services. So I'm on the free tier. We already have 100 free credits. You could get another 100 free credits by achieving these goals. Launch an instance using EC2, use a foundation model, set up a cost budget using AWS budgets, create a web app using AWS Lambda, create an Amazon relational database, RDS database. So far, all we did was create our user. So we're not using our root account no more. We created a user. We're using a user account. We gave him admin privileges, so he could do basically everything that the root account can do. And if we ever come across something that the admin can't do, we could do it from my root account. But we never want to use the root account. You just want to save the password. All right, so the easiest thing for us to do on here is set up cost budget using AWS budgets. Now, do we have to do it through here? All right, so let's see. Search for the budgets. Billing cost. AWS budgets. So we gotta set up. Try tracking your AWS costs and usage. You gotta create a budget. Now, what this does, you create a budget. It lets AWS know how much you want to spend. So say you get hit with a DDoS attack and your website or whatever you're hosting starts to expand. The more it expands, the more expensive it gets. So this, say we set our budget at $100, right? And it usually only costs $50 a month to run our application. When it gets to $100, it won't let it go any further. We'll get an alert and it let us know that something's going on. So we're gonna create a budget. So let's see. Being a little slow. Create a budget. Come on now. Choose a budget type. Use a template. We're gonna use a template. When you use the console, this stuff is self-explanatory. Zero spend. Create a budget that notifies you once your spending exceeds a penny. No. Create a monthly budget that notifies you if you exceed or are forecast to exceed the budget amount. This is what I usually do. Create a coverage budget for saving plan that notify you when you fall below the defined. Nope. All right. So I don't mind spending a little money, but like $10 is usually my limit. I'm not gonna lie. My monthly budget costs. Last month budget. Enter your budget amount. No. We're gonna do $10. I really should do $5, but we're gonna do 10 because we ain't gonna be super cheap. Specify the email receipt if you want to notify when put my email in here. No, I'm not gonna put my email. It might tell me I have to put my email in. If I do, I just put it in after the fact. Or scope on the scope of this budget. All AWS servers are in scope of in this budget. Yes. All right. Your budget monthly card has been created successfully. I create a budget. It can take up 20 to populate all of your spend data. All right, we got a budget of $10. My budget got all your information. Thresholds okay. Alerts okay. Budget amount $10. Start date. There's no end date. No chart yet. All right, so we good. So that's how you create a budget. Easy, baby. Easy peasy.